Alright, so the camper is all picked up. Okay, there you go. Alright, hopefully we got everything. Let's go and check out the property. I think they have a pretty cool lake over here. That's a pretty cool spot. They got like a picnic area, they got a barbecue area, restrooms, wow. And the lake. It's not the biggest, but it's pretty awesome. The water looks pretty clean. Not sure if we're gonna be able to swim. I gotta say, it's pretty nice over here. Pretty cool vibe. Alright, so let's check it out. What's the name of this trail that we're going to? Okay, so we are right here, Hillside Campground, Evart, Michigan. And the trails that we're going to, let's see, they're right here. It says Evart Motorcycle Trails. 5 minutes away from here. I think we should be able to ride over there on the bikes. So that's a big plus. We don't have to load anything on the cars. Trails are pretty cool because the loop has around 20 miles. It says in the reviews that it takes about 4 hours to do the loop. There's actually fish in the pond, so I think we should be good with swimming. Check it out. Kind of cool. Looks pretty decent. So Olivia's second camping out of state.
Nice. Ale setup.
Marco, we're doing a little maintenance. See. No more sprocket. And no more chain. Alright, let's go and check out the trails. Let's check out the trails. Michigan's designated off-road vehicles. Yep, that's us. I think this is gonna be the short one. Maybe we can do a loop like this. Purple.
O, i wróci,
If
tak?
this is the loop.
Bo tak, ja, no tu jest takie, bo to całe to jest
Or maybe this one. And go back. Yeah, so we are in Michigan. What's the name of the city? Evart, Michigan. And yeah, whenever you come over here, it seems like you have to buy a sticker.
One is for the off-road vehicle trail and one is for the roads. So
Yeah, so you can ride on the main street. But it should be like one of the craziest terrains in Michigan.
So we might die.
Alright, so today we got my KTM 300 XC. And we got Maciek's Kawasaki KXF 250. And this one's fuel injected, so pretty crazy. You got some new technology in this one. Alright, so we are at the first stop after 5 minutes riding.
Fuck, everything hurts.
But actually it's pretty cool, something different. Nobody over here.
Yep.
There's a lot of hops.
It is Friday, so it's maybe over the weekend it's gonna be more people.
So let's keep it going. But we're not sure if we're going taking right, left is going back, or straight. Probably straight. Pretty exciting terrain. Love it. Holy shit.
Holy fuck. Oh yeah, feel it.
Let it break.
Oh yeah.
How was it? Oh.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, this ride's pretty awesome, but
Oh fuck.
I'm not sure if we did like 10 miles.
Oh. Let's fucking back.
Alright, let's go back home. That's enough for today. Alright, let's go to the city and check it out. It was good. Heard they got some good ice cream. Go. Here, have a day.
You want it only you.